Welcome to our in-depth overview of VerusX, an advanced cryptocurrency wallet that blends security, versatility, and efficiency into one streamlined platform. This wallet supports a wide range of digital assets, providing users with a centralized hub for managing their cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey in crypto, VerusX equips you with the tools to securely store, send, and receive assets with ease. VerusX sets itself apart with its innovative use of blockchain technology, ensuring transparency and unparalleled security. The wallet employs a decentralized architecture that eliminates the need for intermediaries, making your transactions faster and more private. With VerusX, you're in control, as it provides a user-friendly interface that caters to both beginners and experts alike. Navigating VerusX is effortless. Once you set up your wallet, you'll notice the clean, intuitive dashboard that displays all your assets in one view. This feature simplifies portfolio management and makes it easier to track your transactions in real time. The wallet's multi-asset support allows you to manage various cryptocurrencies without juggling multiple platforms. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. VerusX also boasts advanced security features. By integrating cutting-edge encryption protocols and multi-factor authentication, it ensures that your assets remain secure at all times. Its support for C phrases and private keys gives you complete control over your wallet, providing peace of mind that only you can access your funds. The wallet's cross-platform compatibility is another noteworthy feature. VerusX can be accessed via desktop, mobile, or web, allowing you to manage your assets anytime, anywhere. This flexibility makes it an ideal choice for users who are constantly on the move. For those interested in staking and earning rewards, VerusX offers staking functionalities for supported coins. This feature enables you to earn passive income directly within the wallet, making your crypto assets work harder for you. Make sure you don't miss out on discovering all the features of VerusX by subscribing to our channel. Smash the like button and stay tuned for more insightful content.